Good morning, guys. Almost 7:15 on Thursday, and I had a little bit of a problem here last night. So if you notice that the video from yesterday just ended all of a sudden, there's a reason. I didn't even get to show you guys dinner or nothing. So here's what happened. I was loading the dishwasher and Dave's sister and brother-in-law and nephew were here, and Dave's nephew brought his girlfriend with him, and the dogs don't know her that well, so, you know, they were all wound up. I mean, they wouldn't hurt her or anything, but they were all wound up, so Dave had put their collars on them, but he put the wrong collars on them. They have two sets of collars. They have these ones that are for walking, and then they have the other ones that they wear most of the time to go out with, because they're the underground fence collars. Let me show you. These ones. This is where the battery goes for the fence. Hey, baby. But he had put the walking collars on them, and those are a little bit looser. So Bo was over here while I was loading the dishwasher, licking all the dirty plates like he does, and the collar that he had on got caught onto one of these, or somewhere. It got caught onto somewhere. And when he moved, he pulled the whole... It's so not funny. I don't know why I'm laughing. This has happened once before, too. But he pulled the whole dishwashing rack out, and it scared him, and it was caught onto his collar. So he was running throughout the house with the whole dishwashing thing caught onto his collar. Now remember, it's filled with dishes too. So he's swinging it, and we're all trying to catch him, and there's dishes and glass just everywhere, and broken plates, and so I'm down quite a few plates. Actually, let me say 4 or 5. Only 3. That's not bad. So, yeah, finally it unhooked and he got away. But it was awful. And there was glass everywhere, and, you know, just a normal night here at home. So this happened once before to Milo. Milo used to do the same thing. And if you notice, it's not often you'll see Milo over in this area. And that's because he still remembers. So he was a little more traumatized. He took it a little worse than Bo did yesterday, but... So that's what happened. Yeah. You don't want to come over near it anymore? My poor baby. I felt so bad. He was all right, though. He didn't seem too worked up or nothing. Which, I don't know, I would have been. A big dish thing and dishes and glass following me and throwing themselves everywhere. It's too bad I didn't have the video on, I'm telling you. Poor thing. So, anyways, that was last night. Never a dull moment. And today, oh, it's Thursday, right? Oh, I don't know. Maybe I'll get some of the decorating done. I really, really need to get my craft room cleaned up. I'm still picking up little pieces of glass. And we swept and vacuumed and mopped, and there's still little pieces of glass. just everywhere. I'll show you guys. If I can pick it up. See? This is... Oh, come on. There's some of the glass I just picked up. Still finding it. The, the little dessert thing that I usually have on the table here. It looks like a miniature cake stand and it says dessert on it. That was in the dishwasher. That is no longer here. Hey, Milo. Yeah, screw this. We're going shopping. All the kids are out. It's the first day back to school around here. So it's pretty busy out here this morning. We are stopping at the ATM because I enjoy having no money and spending it on things that really don't matter. It's only 7:36 in the morning and I've been flipped off twice. Do you believe this crap? And both times I had the frickin' right of way. Unbelievable. I forgot to tell you guys, we're going to the beach this Saturday with Jen, Hannah, and Morgan. I totally forgot to tell you guys. One last beach trip before, you know, summer's done. It's supposed to be pretty decent out too, so. Just stopped and got coffee. And I got a iced mocha coffee. It's pretty good too. Yep. Past 12, we're on our way back home. Didn't do much for shopping, I'll tell you that. But I did stop at the grocery store and grab stuff for dinner tonight. We are just having cheeseburgers and french fries. Nothing fancy. Then I stopped into Big Lots and bought some more junk that I shouldn't have bought. Like literally junk. Sugar junk. And the thrift store. I went in the thrift store, but there wasn't much going on in there either. And then I stopped for lunch and I forgot to take my camera in with me. But I actually just stopped at Papagino's. Do you guys have Papagino's where you live? That's what we had all in Boston growing up, was Papagino's, and it's a pizza place. They have the best foot-long hot dogs. And they take the bread and they butter it and grill it, and it's just so good. So I actually stopped in there and sat down and had lunch. But now I'm on my way home. And you know what? I don't think I'm going to do much today. I think I'm going to relax. Sounds good. Do a bunch of nothing today. No, that's not true. It's just not possible because there's things that I have to do. Well, I don't have to do anything. None of us have to do anything, but, you know.